Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here at Maltby Intermediate School in Brighton, Michigan, home of the dogs. And it was another great day with all the students. I did both assemblies today, grades 5 and 6, in 2 separate presentations. Got to stay through all the lunches as well. But the main focus of today's message was on positive life choices and making the choice to be our best self in every area of life, right? To believe in ourselves, to always give our greatest effort, and to really just try, even when we think we can't do it, that we can actually go so much farther, right? And standing outside their main office here next to one of the signs on the wall, it says "Be a Star," but it has some of the elements from today's assemblies where we're talking about trying, we're talking about believing in yourself. And that's really how you start to become this person, this star that knows that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up. And that if we keep pushing, if we keep persevering, if we keep thinking positive, eventually we're going to get the results that we want. So I shared a series of stories that related to people that might have been born a little bit different than some of us. They might have some learning disabilities or physical disabilities, but they're still choosing to believe in their own worth, right? So we always tie in this concept too, the M on all of our palms with the lines of each of our hand. We all have the letter M. I traced mine here again. And the M stands for Maltby, but also more importantly for miracle. Upside down W for worthy. And if we can truly believe that and buy into that, we can not only know that we can do anything as true, beautiful miracles with unlimited potential, but then go help someone else and be the light to their heart, right? And you just saw the shirt as well. The shirt that I wear for this talk says "Keep your head up," but it's upside down on purpose, with the idea that if we ever feel down or think that we can't do something or that we're not good enough, it's a reminder to always think more positive, right? We can always keep pushing and striving for greatness. And the whole idea too of greatness and being perfect, right? We're already perfect just the way that we are. And excellence, it's not being the best. Excellence is doing our best. We do our best and then we rest. We have the effort. And if we give that effort, that full effort, we're going to usually get the outcome that we want. So I also incorporated this into, this being the home of the dogs, incorporated this into the acronym, the motto, the mantra here at Maltby Intermediate, which is the DOGS acronym. We have determination, optimism, generosity, and solidarity, the 4 pillars of that word. And so we talked about different components of that, whether it's encouraging and helping others, seeing the best in others, doing what's expected of us, and always giving our best effort when we do so. And so I wanted to really tie that into this important message today as well, because us being our best self, that means we do it with every breath that we take. We try, and yes, we might fail here and there or make a mistake, but it doesn't make us a failure or make us a mistake. So always remember that. You guys are in my heart. You guys are beautiful. Keep believing in yourself. You guys can do anything. I believe in you. Until next time, much love. And as always, make sure to hit the notification bell you'll see on the screen over here. Hit the subscribe button as well to check out the latest videos on our YouTube channel. And to track my journey across this country, you can look at the website here, my schedule there, and the whole entirety of the website to look at that through the link that you'll see on the screen, along with some amazing clips from the playlist above, as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.